Hello kids. Let's learn about the days of the week in both English and Hindi. Sunday, Ravivar. Sunday, Ravivar. Monday, Somvar. Monday, Somvar. Tuesday, Mangalvar. Tuesday, Mangalvar. Wednesday, Budvar. Wednesday, Budvar. Thursday, Guruvar. Thursday, Guruvar. Friday, Shukravar. Friday, Shukravar. Saturday, Shanivar. Saturday, Shanivar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In Hindi, Ravivar, Somvar, Mangalvar, Budvar, Guruvar, Shukravar, Shanivar. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching. See you on another video. Bye bye.